What is up, guys? Just want to say I had to completely redo the editing of the video because files got corrupted. So please enjoy it, even though it's like 5 or 6 minutes long. I don't know yet, but enjoy it. Bye. So, once a week I will be uploading these devlogs and giving you guys updates on my path to becoming a pro game dev. The game I am currently working on is called Bean vs. Bean, and you can check it out in the description. Enjoy the video. So, on Saturday night, I decided I want to make a game and make a video on it. Good idea, right? I got home Sunday afternoon, started watching tutorials, and that is what I did all day long, and played games with friends until 3 in the morning. I woke up Monday morning and got to work, so the first thing I tried to do was make a simple movement script. That sort of worked, but I couldn't look around, and the map was kind of boring. So for the rest of Monday, I tested out a couple of things and made the first gun, a small pew-pew. The next day is where things really took off. I got some islands and stuff, made a better movement script with some help from Brackeys. Besides the maps, there were still some things to touch up on. So I tried adding shooting and making the guns less steady while holding it. And this is what happened. On Wednesday, all I did was polish some parts of the game and added a rifle, which I called a play gat gat gat. I have no clips of what I did on Wednesday because I didn't see anything interesting enough to record. But one thing I did on Wednesday was add shooting with raycast and add a muzzle flash with Unity's particle system.
A system made by Unity.
Yeah, now we have the bang bang. On Thursday, I did quite a few things. I added some background to the scenery, added water, so there's not just an endless void under you, added a main menu, and tried to make an options menu. For the background, I just took some stone islands and made them bigger and put them a ways away from the main map. And for the water, I made a big blue cube. For the main menu, I watched some more Brackeys tutorials and nothing else interesting happened, except I made a poll on GameJolt for people to vote on the next weapon. Friday wasn't super interesting, but things happened that day. First thing I did after eating breakfast was model the final gun. The people on GameJolt voted for a shotgun, so that's what I added. Sadly, there's no shotgun jumping because that didn't come out well. It took me about 15 minutes to model Lay Big Boom Boom, and 20 seconds to copy and paste some code. The rest of the day, I just messed around on the game and talked with some friends. On Saturday, I got Premiere Pro because yes, and wrote 2 lines of code to soon be deleted. For most of the day, I just talked with friends and stuff. And now on Sunday, actually, no, it's like Tuesday, and I'm doing this. And I'm still contemplating whether or not to add more stuff to extend the video to 20 minutes. No, it's going to be like 10 minutes long. Also, this is not the original script. I rewrote to extend the video. Also, this isn't part of the script, but everything in this past paragraph has been extremely inaccurate. Yeah. Also, sorry that it sounds like the daily dose of internet. I'm just very tired at the time of recording this. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me work on this game, and if you want to follow it and get updates on it, there's a Game Jolt link in the description. Also, to get news, you can subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot, and it entertains you guys. It's a win-win, right? Also, I'm going to leave a link to Brackeys' channel in the description because he's an awesome guy, and his tutorials helped a lot. And that's it. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.